Hello. Very excited about this one. This is the BMW M3 E30 GRA 91 Auto Tech by Nunu. I've actually bought two of these now. I got the paint from Zero Paint, so I'm all stacked and ready to go. I thought that I bought a PE kit from somewhere, but I can't find it, so I guess I didn't. So I haven't opened the box yet. It is open for some reason, but that wasn't me. So let's see what we get. First off is some wheels, and the chrome looks pretty good. Next, some racing slick tires. All right, the all-important glass, and it is there's a scratch. No, I think that the glass is good. So front window, back window, two side windows, and rear indicators. Looks relatively easy. Let's see, we got a bag. Sorry for all the rattling as always. Let's see what's in here. Okay, brakes, front bumper, back bumper and the wing, the hood or bonnet, back bumper, and the all famous BMW grille before the grills were huge and basically took the whole car. Let's see, we got the seat, another front bumper. Interesting, I'll take a look at that. Exhaust, seat, looks very good. Then we have two more sprues, sorry again for the noise. It's the worst noise, I know. Okay, let's see, we got brakes, dashboard, undercarriage, chassis with the motor engine already molded in. Looks good. And then we got a very simple roll cage, door cards, interior, and the decals. AS Autotech or AT Autotech, I don't know. The decals on Nunu's are very good. The black trim for the windows, I'm not sure whether I'll use that or not. Actually, I think I did buy the window decals as well. The covers to go over the glass. So if I have those, I won't use these. We will see. Instruction manual looks relatively straightforward. 15 parts. That looks good. And then this cool looking M3 body. One more bag, sorry. Apologies. And that is a iconic body, right? Super cool. Looks pretty good, actually. I'm super excited about this. It looks a lot of fun. It looks like the end product will be good. I'm gonna take my time for a change. And again, thanks everybody for watching, and let's see how this comes out. See you at the end. Bye everybody. here's the finished model. How cool does this look? I highly recommend this car. Many parts went together without the glue. It just fit together like a dream. The colour is awesome. I didn't make any boo-boos. I'm really happy with this. This will not be the last one. So I hope everybody's safe, and thank you very much for watching, and let me know what your thoughts are. I'm super happy with it. And yeah, really happy. Alright guys, be safe.